Should I be nervous, fellas? Should I be nervous? I have to meet up with the trainer tomorrow so he can assess where I'm physically at.
But
So
you're
we
gonna enjoy it. That's always the funnest. The funnest thing is like when you meet with somebody. It's not even to be cruel, but it's just like you know, it's just you get your assessment, but it's always fun. And then you start laying out the track, and it's like, oh dear God.
Slightly nervous, not gonna lie, slightly nervous.
I think my oldest son, he never really lifted before, and I've got him into this stuff, and he's just like, he's taking to it, so it's really awesome, you know what I mean? And it's like the same thing, because I'm pushing him in a new direction.
Yeah.
But he's never trained before, so.
Yeah, I've never had a personal trainer ever. Well, I did a trainer one time. He couldn't get me in to do to actually get on his schedule. So I did like one workout with him. It was only a 30-minute workout, and I felt like that was the best workout I had in years. In years.
Yeah, it's just, he's gonna see it from outside, see it from outside, and challenge you in new ways.
So just try to stay positive with tomorrow because
You're gonna be a big brunch, or where are you doing it at?
I'll be so they have he's a GM of a private, it's a gym over in Altamont. It's a smaller gym where they do like personal training at. Good morning, Smooth, Chib, Georgie. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully you guys are ready to make some money today. Some smonnies. Because I had a buddy that actually trained with him as well. We all know the trainer because we all went to school with him back in the day. But one of the guys I know, he lost like over 100 pounds training with him. So I'm like, I'm not trying to lose no 100 pounds. More like,
I mean, sometimes it's just like, you know what I'm gonna say about that? It's like, it's like when somebody's talking to you about issues, like even if it's like cleaning up their house, and you can see how to do it because you're looking at it from another thing, and then they're gonna challenge you in ways you're not thinking of, and that's where you're gonna get the result.
yeah. Well,
I know you're gonna put in the time, you know what I mean? You're not there just to mess around. So.
Yeah, definitely not there to mess around. I know I will actually start feeling certain things I haven't felt in a long time because honestly, I've been doing like the same workouts for the past like 8 years.
Well, the thing is, too, is like, the human body is an amazing thing because it will adapt. So.
Yeah. Because like I work out by myself and I never feel sore. And I just know that's because clearly I'm not pushing myself hard enough, or my muscles are just so used to the routine at this point where they're not.
That's what it is. I mean, it's just, like, even if somebody does like their normal routine and does it backwards, they'll feel like a brain in most cases, just because you're so conditioned, like you're on autopilot.
Yeah. Did you trade FOMC? I traded a couple accounts briefly because I was running out. I did trade a couple accounts. Evals. Accidentally had a funded account on there, so I put money in it, but that I could do a payout on, but I'm waiting until Friday for that. It went fine. It honestly wasn't really moving during FOMC, so I wasn't really trading it.
Yeah, I happened to look just to see if anything was going on, and it wasn't too exciting.
Yeah, it wasn't like the normal when markets were real volatile with the hard ups and hard downs. I wasn't doing any of that. So
It moved like around 7:15. I remember one of my accounts, I was up like 700 in one contract. I was like, oh yeah, this is good.
at 7:15.
Yeah, around like 7 o'clock, 7:15 ish. It went up. I was in a buy, and I was up 700. I said, "Yo, let me get out." While I was up.
Okay, nice. Yeah, today I'm just base hitting. Today I'm base hitting, folks. Let me give you guys where the stuff is looking, everything like that. Good morning, Rob. First, good morning, market makers. Gotta start with y'all. Good morning. So right now, as it sits, the low for the overnight, everything like that is 401.25, 401.25. The close from yesterday, 606.25, 606.25. The VWAP's currently sitting at like 566.25 area right there. Then the 21 EMA sitting at 450.50 on the 2-minute chart. So I wouldn't be surprised if we tried to retest the close from yesterday, and then we keep going down, possibly. For me personally, I want to see some clean movement, because this week we have not gotten any clean movement in the markets, which has been quite annoying. I'll say. We got the pivot point below is 377.75, 377.75 for the pivot below us. Let's go up to the pivot above us. Oh, that's up there. I always say that's up there, and then somehow we always go there. But the pivot above us, 794. So quite a ways away. Quite a ways away. So honestly, today, boys, if you don't see your setups, don't take a trade. And I say that because I love y'all. Yeah, I'm telling that to myself as well. If there's no trade to take and no good movement, I'm not executing a trade. Because this week I've lost money, I've made money, but it wasn't clean money. I want clean money a day.
I'm sick of the chop.
Definitely sick of the chop. We're in agreement with that. On the 2-minute, we did print a small little, trying to do a little bear flag right here. Hey, smooth, right? You're going to pass that eval just from base hitting, but how does it feel doing just base hits? It feels a little bit more comfortable. The whole thing with the base hits is to make it more comfortable for you to take a trade, because you're no longer looking for the moon. We got 3 minutes, folks. 3 more minutes for market open. I changed the vibe for today. For some reason, I kind of want to be in a tropical place this morning when I woke up. Hey, whatever keeps you calm. Whatever keeps you calm. You know what I'm saying? Anything to keep us calm this morning.
I was at my old job, and I'd be cranking like Bob Marley, because I had my office, and there's like a couple people walking by, and they're like, all right, man.
All right, man.
It's like a great way to put you like in a good state of mind.
And that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to keep us in a solid state of mind, so we're not just FOMOing at trades.
That's why when you said that one thing, when you trade to hip hop, it's like that'd be tough, because I'd be like all ready to go, like it's like, you know, you're not laid back.
Yeah. See? Smooth. That's awesome, bro. That's what I like to hear. When I stop swinging for the fence, I stop blowing my account so fast. That's called progress. And actually, I'll double check our audio levels just to make sure, because I haven't checked them this morning. from the start of the stream.
Check 2.
All right, let's see how this sounds. Market's open. Look at the dump right at market open. Dump right at market open there. Oh Nellies. Oh Nellies. Oh Nellies. This is what gets you excited and want to just jump on in.
Jump to the rhythm.
Off that bear flag. Big push down. We went right through that pivot point. Oh yeah, today we may be dumping, boys. Today that 24,000 may get touched with how aggressive we just dropped like that. Through the pivot like it wasn't even there. I know this week we haven't been having big ranges.
It's been ridiculous. The opening range from 360 to 372. Don't deal in the middle.
Yeah, don't deal in the middle.
Are we gonna get the loose retracement thing?
It's seeming very sporadic this morning. Kind of like to see it. Good morning, Is. Let's make us a couple dollars a day. Here comes a new candle. 3 seconds, 2 seconds. There's a new candle. Let's see if we stay below this pivot. Let's see if we stay below this pivot here. Let me move this line down. Let's see if we get another flaggy flag. Got some we still have selling pressure here, so be careful, folks.
But that candle just sat still for like way too long, I think. I was like, is my chart froze? And it's like, no.
Oh, this is so tipsy, not gonna lie. Just to put my ATM on so that way it'll, as BP would say, mitigate my risk and loss. You know what I'm saying? Just put it on the $300 stop and take a momentum. Let's see if we build a flag. Oh man. This is me being hopeful today. I'm hoping to put in like a G into my Lucid account. So that way tomorrow I could do the same, $1,000 base hit on my Lucid funded. So that way I could take out like a 2K payout tomorrow from it. Because if I take a 2K payout, that pays for my personal trainer for the full month with extra. So because what I'm doing now, I'm naming each payout I get to something I want to do or pay for.
Next one is gold jacket.
I tried going back for that jacket. They did not have it. Let me fix this real quick. There we go. Good morning, Ule. Going through my yellow line. Is it going to start? We didn't build a bear flag yet, but it's feeling heavy. It's feeling heavy. As soon as I said it's feeling heavy, the wrinkles start pushing up just slightly. Gotta love that.
Yeah, it's almost as good as like when you put you in a trade in the wrong direction. It's like, oh, thank you. Like, I missed the move, now I'm in. Great.
Yeah, that's the worst. When you don't get filled, is your order still sitting there, and then you get tagged in. Like,
Wait a second, I didn't sign up for this.
all right, 10 more minutes, Duane. 10 more minutes. You can wait 10 more minutes. Just made a newer low there. I would like to see a slight push up to give us a solid flag. There will be no traders hang out tonight. No traders hang out tonight. I'm going to a John Legend concert tonight, so
That's a legend thing.
a waterfall or water field. I feel like if we keep pushing down, that 24,000 is just going to grab the market and make it go down to it like a big old magnet. But that's just me. The close from yesterday was 606 level area, so quite a ways from there at this point. Still got selling pressure on this 2-minute candle. Buying pressure on the 5-minute. That's a good sign to just hold and wait. You got buyers on the 5-minute, sellers trying to show a little bit of selling pressure on the 2. Let's play it safe today. Let's play it safe. All right, we're above this pivot. So bear's getting trapped right now because for everyone that was trying to just short, they just got trapped. Let's get below this pivot. If we get below this pivot, they may be able to get out of this trade possibly. We got that 21 EMA up there. So that's what I'll be looking for the bulls to try targeting. Would be the 414 level, 414.50. Do the 400 level. Oh, Nellies. Oh, Nellies. There's a new candle. Yeah, that 414 is definitely going to get tagged. That's how I'm feeling. I may be wrong, but that 414 feels like it wants to get touched. The low of the range is 326.75. 326.75. I honestly don't think we're going to get back down there before the 15 minutes are completed here. So 326.75 should be the low of the 15-minute range here. Good morning, sir. I'm doing good. How about yourself? Well, that's good for you because you wouldn't have lost money.
I saw the market. Like I have it on my phone, like paying you, and yesterday was like consolidation all day.
Yep. It's been terrible all week.
Yeah, it's been a rough week. Did anybody catch anything yesterday?
He did.
There's that 414 getting tabbed. There we go.
Yeah, Big D did well.
Yeah. Nice.
All right. Well, like I said, the low of the 15-minute range will be 326.75. Let's see where the high is going to be completed at. Are we getting ready to rip? Are we going to rip before the 15-minute range? I hope not. Let's see, we build structure right here for a flag.
Hey, Wayne, don't interrupt me. Wayne would like to see a flag.
I would love to see a flag right now.
I'm gonna get you a shirt that says that.
We have no top wick on this candle right now, so that means sellers didn't really step in. What's up, Motion? Another day, another dollar. We're just waiting for this 15-minute range to be completed so I can start trading. Looks like we may be building a bull flag right here. Come on, Betsy. I got less than 3 minutes now. Less than 3 minutes to be fully cleared to trade. Just patiently waiting. I feel like this is going to be a bull flag right here. Nice, Motion. That's awesome, bro. Yeah, last night during the Asian session when we streamed, it wasn't moving crazy or anything like that.
When does it start? When you're doing your later streams, when does it start picking up?
Never.
No, I mean there is a change in tempo though.
Yes, but it's not really on.
11:30ish.
Yeah, that's when I'm not even on.
There's a movement 11:30ish, and then around anywhere from like 1:30 to like 2:30. It usually hits. The reason I know that because I keep streaming and I'll be doing things around the house.
less than a little bit more than 30 seconds now, and the 15-minute range will be fully completed here. The low of this morning's range is 326.75. 326.75 is the low of the 15-minute range. The high of this range is looking like it's going to be 453. 453 should be the high of the 15-minute range today as well. We'll know in about less than 15 seconds if that high stays. Well, we'll say 452.75 for the high.
We could say whatever we want.
Yeah, something like that. All right, range is completed with the bull flag trunk. Let's see what we get here. Feel like we're just building structure. Move my line just up a little bit more because I want to follow through the yellow line. If we get the follow through, I'm jumping in on it. $21 EMA was holding us. Alrighty, well, with the push down like that, that would make me invalidate that flag I was looking for. So I'm no longer looking for that bull flag, technically. Good morning, Lucas. If we can stay above this 21 EMA, maybe I'll still wait to see if it plays, but gotta see some good momentum here. No momentum, boys, no trade for today.
Hey, before you get off the scene, 'cause I gotta go on the WAP. Saturday, we good?
I'll let you know because actually I'm gonna have to shave my head today. I got a hot date today.
What time is your date today? Or do you want me to pass by later on?
You could, if you want to pass by anytime before 5. Well, I'll say anytime before 4. That works.
Okay, I can do it. I can go right after you go down, Daytona again.
Okay, yeah, that works for me.
Alright, cool. Sounds good.
Awesome, thank you. Yeah, Motion. They've been 85% off for like since they updated their rules and everything.
What does that work out to cost-wise if it's 85% off?
It's like for the end of day drawdown 50K account, you're looking at like $30 for the eval. But there is the activation fee.
Right now, from whoever you're using, right?
Mm-hmm.
What do they call the companies, right?
Yeah.
Which one do you like the most?
I'll always say Tradeify.
Okay.
It's Tradeify, Lucid, Take Profit Trader, then Apex.
Gotcha. So if I move, they have the least, let's say, headaches.
Least headaches, better dashboard than all of them.
Okay, nice.
It's just cleaner.
Okay.
They got wackadoodle with me, man, so I'm like still staying away from for a little while.
Got it.
But it could have just been isolated, I don't know. But it was crazy.
I'll close that $500 trade right there. First base hit for the day. And it's still pushing. And it leaves me, but I will gladly take my $500 base hit.
What screen is all the way to your right here?
Which one?
The one right. I think it's on the right hand corner.
Let me see what you're looking at.
Put your cursor over it, and I'll let you know.
This one?
Right there. Yeah, that one. What is that?
That's the 5 minute.
Oh, that's a 5 minute. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And then that's 2 minutes next to you.
Yep.
That's 2 minute or 1 minute?
2 minute.
2 minute, right? 2 minute. All right.
Yeah, trader. If you're doing the end of day drawdown, it's pretty much like $90 something for the activation fee. If you're doing the intraday, it's like $70. Yep, you have to pay the activation fee only with Apex. Only with Apex. Tradeify, Lucid, and Take Profit Trade have no activation fees. Well, let's wait for the next move. The first move worked perfectly. I said if we go through my yellow line with momentum, I'm taking it. And your boy took it. So the first target, 515.75, is my first target from the 15-minute range. Above that, we got the VWAP sitting there at 530. 530. I'm honestly going to wait to see if we build another flag. I kind of want us to come back down and retest that high of the 15-minute range here. Me personally, and then we push from there to give extra confirmation, but we're going to just see what we get. Lucas, if you're trading with Tradeify, you only have a monthly fee in the evaluation phase. So if you don't pass your eval, then you'll pay another monthly the next month. If you do pass it, you no longer have expense. Because once you... Yep. Yeah, on Lucid, it's not a subscription-based model. You pay one time and you're good with Lucid. Let's see if we push through my yellow line once again with follow-through. I have to have the follow-through here for me to want to take it. Yeah, I kind of want this candle to close red and the next one green to take us higher. That's what I would be waiting for.
That's called the retracement.
Oh, I'm not looking for a retracement. I just want the next candle to be green and rip it.
Yeah, you want this candle to close red and then the next one green. The red will be your retracement.
Oh, okay, okay.
That's what I love. I love the retracements.
I mean, I can hear the joy in your voice. It's
Like a little kid on Christmas.
Yeah, for real.
Let's see if we push to my yellow line.
It's like one of those like church plays where like one kid says one line and everybody's yay!
I want to push through my yellow line with momentum. With momentum. I did not get filled. Oh, now I'm in. Oh, get out of here. I closed it quick. It was like 320. I got 110. That's dirtiness. That's that dirtiness we don't like. We went to my first target right there at the 515 area. Now I have to decide. No, I'm going to rotate. I'm not even going to touch this one again right now. If I do, I may put the stop loss on. This is a funded account with Lucid that I can take a payout on. but I'm trying to put in a couple extra $1,000 just so that way I can take the max payout with them. Smooth. Green is green, bro. Green is green. And since I just said green is green, I'm going to rotate. Bear with me because this time I'm rotating to some Apex accounts real quick.
You need to get a chair that spins so when you see it rotating, you spin around.
I do have that Lucid account I need to trade as well. I'll trade this Lucid eval real quick. Because it's closed. It's closed, but I'll trade this one real quick before I rotate over to the 10 Apex accounts. I'll copy trade them 5 at a time.
We're getting down to like 3.5 minutes until 10 as well, so keep that in mind.
Thank you. Appreciate that call out. Do not be in a trade at 10 o'clock ever. Why do we say that? Because the market moves weird at whole time frames. And sometimes news comes out at 10. So you never want to just be in the markets at those times just to protect yourself. Trust me, I've been in trades at 9:59. I'm like, oh, I'm good. There's no news today. 10 o'clock hits, instant blown account because I had no stop loss on.
Yeah, and it's like you blink of an eye and it's already has a wake out to blew your account. That's when you like everything's going good and it's like, boom, dead.
And then it continues up in the direction you were going, aiming for too.
Yep. It's just kind of it's just like a decapitation strike. It's like game over.
We do have selling pressure. We have not tested the high of the 15-minute range. Let's see what we get here. If we didn't have that buying wick on that 2-minute candle, I would want to take a short to the 15-minute range here. Let's see if we clear that buying wick. And honestly, we're less than 2 minutes now. Yeah, I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna wait. Is this gonna be our bull flag? I want us to come. I want us to tap that 15-minute range again. This may be our flag right here, but we're getting so close to this 10 o'clock, less than a minute now. So I can't touch it. Duane, why do you have so many rules? Because I don't like getting chopped up and blown in counts. I like getting payouts. That's why I try honoring my rules, because I realize my rules that I set for myself are there to help me, not to hurt me.
There's a reason for them. You're not punishing yourself.
Nope. I am punishing myself tomorrow with my personal trainer, but that's a different story.
You better stop humble bragging on your personal trainer, all right? I am a personal trainer. I can look in the damn mirror and get the same feeling out of it, all right? No, but I mean, on a serious note, even like a personal trainer needs that outside help because it's like it takes it takes your choice out of it. So this is gonna be really good.
There's that bull flag. There's 10 o'clock as well. Like, the bulls are starting to push, and then 10 o'clock hit. Instant stopped it. Let's clear this. I want to clear that candle. No, I know they're gonna learn me. Like, but I'm just nervous. You know what? Just clear that wig. Too late to jump in on it now. Touch the VWAP as well. Man, I'm mad I wasn't eyeing the chart right when I needed to. This is an eval, but it just ricocheted on me. But I still feel like we're gonna touch that VWAP again. So I'm upping my fundeds today. I'm down in this eval currently. I will take one more trade on it. Oh, that's crazy. I did not get filled. I may just close this one because I did not get filled right when I clicked the button. Let's see if we get the push here. Keeps going up to my entry and using it as resistance. Yeah. That's agginess. Straight agginess right there. I'm rotating to my Apex accounts because that just pissed me off. No, I don't get even. I'm not going to revenge trade or anything. But that just aggravated me because I did not get filled where I hit the button at. Bear with me. I'm setting up my copy trader here. Because we are going to be copy trading a couple accounts. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Yeah, I'm honestly just gonna hold and wait a couple minutes. Probably wait till we get above the VWAP and we use that VWAP as support to take us higher. We got the 606 level above us. That was the close from yesterday. Yeah, I can do that, Lucas. Where are you trading? Are you on Tradeovate or something else? On Tradeovate, it's super easy. If you're trading on Ninja Trader, you have to. They have a third-party copy trader that's free, but I pay for mine, Replicanto. I paid for it one time and I have it for life. We got selling pressure on these wicks on the 5-minute. Right now, I'm not touching this market right now. Want to see some structure of a flag, then we'll execute. How's everyone doing so far? Is everyone making money, losing money? That's the $1 million question. Okay, like what platform are you executing your trades on? Is it Tradeovate, Ninja Trader? What platform? Okay, just for props, what platform are you trading on, Lucas? I can't help you if you don't tell me what platform you're on. Connected to Tradeovate. Okay, Tradeovate has a built-in copy trader. So you literally go to your where you have all your accounts, like say you're trading multiple accounts for one prop firm, you can make a group, you group them all together, and then you could copy trade all of them built in on Tradeovate. All right, let me make sure that worked. That would have been 250 on 5 accounts right there. I don't know how one got $340. Okay. Yep, so we'll take that. So how many accounts was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, I did 6 accounts right there, not 5. So I'm gonna rotate to the other accounts now. 162, 64, 65, and 63. Let me set up another one. 164. No, we're not doing that one. Click the wrong button. Okay, 162, 164, 165. Three. I gotta set these up. You can set groups up on Replicanto, the one I'm using on my Ninja Trader. Make sure nothing else is copy traded on this. All right, cool. Man, look at that push above that VWAP off this big old bull flag structure right there. I want us to see us build a flag above the VWAP. So that's pretty nifty. That last base hit trade was a $1,500 base hit at just making $250. I kind of like how that works, but when you are copy trading, you're risking more accounts all at once. I will say that. So my second target from the 15-minute range today is 578.50. 578.50 is my second target here. So I want to see us build another flaggy flag to take us higher. And I will take another bull flag only if we got momentum. So we came back down to the first target, but we're below the VWAP now. And right now, the way the seller stepped in hard on this candle does not make me feel very bullish. $500 is not a base hit. It depends on who. Every person's base hit's different, Lucas. Every base hit's different. But I just did $250. It was $250 times 6 accounts. You're spoiled? I don't know how I'm spoiled.
Someone tell that guy he has nothing else to do.
I don't know what's in the water. Like last night, one of the regulars, he was in his feelings last night.
No, it's like 10 o'clock in the morning. That guy's just hating, and he definitely has no girlfriend. He has the strongest right arm in the world.
No, Lucas is solid, but base hits are different for every person. So for me, a base hit for me is... A base hit is for me between $200 to $1,000. Anywhere in there is a base hit, because I could consistently do that very easily each and every day.
Yeah. For him, bases from $1 to $1.50. I get it.
Be nice, Mooser. Be nice.
I just hate people that have to say too much about someone else.
How long did it take you to turn pro? It took me 5 months, Jonathan. 5 months. I built my strategy in 5 months. I've been trading it ever since.
Let's just remind some people that they locked on to you. You didn't lock on to them. Sorry.
I agree with Moose. Honestly, let's see if we get a little bear flag now. The way we push down like that, I kind of want to see us possibly do a bear flag now. Since we are below the VWAP. And looking at that 5 minute, that's definitely looking like a bear flag on the 5. Ooh, Nellies, go through my yellow line and we about get paid on 4 Apex accounts. We went down to my line, tapped it. Let me move it down just slightly more. I'm watching this 5 minute, watching the 2 minute as well. Because if we go through the yellow line with momentum, I'm taking the short. We did tap that 21 EMA and we popped up off of it. So that's something we gotta pay attention to as well. This music today has kept me even keeled today. Not gonna lie.
Where did I put my bomb?
You know, I'm just sipping on some Mountain Valley over here. Just vibing up with y'all.
Mountain Valley or Maui Valley?
Maybe a little bit of both. You never know. 2 minutes looking like a bear flag as well. There's the 21 EMA tab. I want us to get below that 21 EMA.
You ain't kidding on that.
Yeah, this 21 EMA, we gotta get away from it.
Have a good one, Moose.
Take care. See you guys later. Dwayne.
All right, Moose, see you later. That was 170 on 4 accounts right there. A piece. Let me double check it just to make sure I copy traded properly. It did not. Okay. 163. Wait, what? That
Well,
I'm
you were
confused.
in and out so quick, man. You're like the samurai scalper right there.
Why did it not? Now I'm confused. Yeah, 164. Am I now on 164? Okay. Why did it not copy trade? Well, I'll take this 170 on this account. Let me try putting a different account to copy trade here. That's weird. And then we go 163. 163, check. 62 and 65. Let's try this again. So I made 170 on one account. Have a good one, Smooth. That's not a base hit. That's a base hit. Well, you're right. It's actually under 200 bucks. You are correct on that one.
So it wouldn't count as a trading day, right?
I would have to double check. Apex raised all their stuff for what counts as a trading day, so that would not count.
I think you said 250.
Yeah, so that would not be a trading day.
You just put pennies in your account, but you still got it.
$540 right there. Let's see if that copy traded properly. Hey, it did. So we'll take that. But the other one had some slippage. I will say that. So if you guys are on the horizontal stream, let me show you this. Let me make this a little bit bigger actually so I can get more accounts on. There we go.
Do I have to go to the screen?
No, you should be able to see it now.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
So that's today so far. I'm gonna trade the 2 accounts that have not been traded yet and see how I do on those. But that's what it is today. Red in one account, green in all the others. This is what I was hoping for earlier, was the pullback into the 15-minute range to test, to see if we're going to continue higher. Well, on that 5-minute, look at the bear flag right here. No, Rob, you good, bro? You good? Can you show your TradeAway screen? Where's the group copy? I'm not pulling up my TradeAway right now since I'm trading on Ninja Trader, but I could guide you to it. Hold on. Because for me to put the TradeAway on, it takes a little bit. I have to do all this other stuff on my OBS. So all you have to do is click where it shows your account, Lucas, and go down to manage groups. Click your account number, go down to manage groups, put whatever accounts for the firm you're trading in the group, set your stop loss, everything like that. And then you'll be good to go because you'll select the group instead of one account number. So say you have a Lucid account and you have 4 other Lucid accounts, put the other extra accounts in the group, and whatever your leader account is, that's the one that will show for your account, and they'll say the group as well. Seeing if you get chopped up. Oh, bro, honestly, I'm just dialed back in. I'm not pushing it. I'm not risking it for the biscuit. Not today. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just trying slow and steady. Looks like we're going to be building another bear flag right here as well on the 2-minute. Trying to have a little bit more patience. You know what I'm saying? Trying to have a little bit more patience. That's the one thing I feel like every trader will always have to work on. Because you'll be super patient for like a couple months, and then you'll start getting antsy, everything like that. Like, right now, I just want to wait to see. Awesome. You're welcome. I want to see if we stay in this 15-minute range and continue lower, or if we're going to pop back up. But I feel like we're trying to build a bear flag. $220 on that trade right there. Let me rotate to another account. Just base hitting. That's it. No Lucid code. No Lucid code currently. They are not open for new affiliates right now, so we don't have a code yet. But if I would have held it a little bit longer, I could have made more on that one, but I'm not being greedy today. Just base hitting, keeping it moving. Let's see. Yep. I'll do this account now. Let's get her done. Took a stab at that. I wasn't even trying to enter a trade. I was trying to just click my chart. Finger was over there, so it happens. This is a not lucid, Tradeify eval. I'll just wait for the structure to build and then execute. Have a good one, Rob. Have a good one, Lucas. Come on, Betsy. It is 10:31. Crazy. This week, I feel like the trading sessions feel so much longer. I don't know if I'm the only one that feels that way.
I just feel like it's like not moving. It's like moving, but it's not. It's like, come on.
I'll close that. 520 bucks right there. I'd flip that. This one from red to green. We'll gladly take that. So let me add all this up with my handy dandy calculator. Got that on the screen just so you know I ain't lying.
Look, I don't believe you're lying.
The only thing I don't like with all these, the slippage. So I made 2,700 and some change because of the loss. Green in the accounts, I'm up 4,434. I'm red in one account, 1,664. So take home, even with the loss, is over 2 grand. If I don't include that loss in that eval, then 4,000. But solid day. BP, I'm red in one account. Green in the other, like, what is that? 10, like, green in the other, like, 15 accounts. I'm kind of tempted. No. Clean this up just a little bit. Just a little bit. We're above the VWAP. Man, if you took this push right here, you just got paid. If you took that push, you got paid. Let's see if we build a flag. If we get a flag with momentum, I'll jump in on it. If we don't, I'm not taking it. Let's see if we build structure right here. Let's see if we hold this 515 area. If we hold this 515 area, that was our first target from the 15-minute range today. BP, I like lots of manipulation when we know it's manipulation. You know what I'm saying? It's when we don't know and we're getting hit with the manipulation. That's when we don't like it. We're back below this VWAP here. We got less than 2 minutes on the 5-minute candle. So I'll be waiting for that candle to print. Yo, this dirty a day for what they try to do with people. Yep. There's the 21 EMA. Let's see if it holds us. But I feel like this bad boy is still heavy. No, H. This is Nasdaq. That's so dirty. Listen, I'm green for the day, but the way that they just pumped it and just pulled it back on everybody is craziness. Go ahead, Motion. Good job, bro. So we did break back into the 15-minute range and then we popped right back up. So let's see if now the high of this 15-minute range will be support for us to keep us going higher. I know, BP, you know what I'm saying? I know I had to do the same thing, bro. He threw a wrench in the system, bro. So I'll take that. Quick little scalp right there. Have a good one, Brad. I didn't even know you were in there, bro. You were lurking. Have a good day, bro. No traders hangout tonight, Brett. No traders hangout. Tonight we have no traders hangout, folks. I'm gonna be at a concert. See, right, BP? He trying to mess us up, bro. He trying to mess us up. Giving us way too many options. I'm sticking to Motion. I don't care if you change your name 4 more times, Motion. I'm calling you Motion. That's it. Because for the past like 4 months, you've been times changed. Now you're Motion. You know what I'm saying? Like, can't be doing us like that, fam. What's the market trying to do? What's the market trying to do here? There's a 21 in EMA. Good morning, bud. You slept good? Okay, I'll be down in about like 20 minutes. He was warning us. Times changed. Time to change my name. Thought I added another $300. I only got 100 and some change off that. That's craziness. Yeah, I think I'm done executing trades at this point. I made my monies. Oh. Did I not trade that one today? I thought I did. Let me double check. Yeah, no, I did. Tomorrow, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, no traders hang out tonight. No traders hang out. Like I said, I have a concert I'm going to. How much that at? 1029. That don't make no sense. BP, you're awesome, bro. I'm just logging into all my stuff to look at my journals and everything. Okay, question. I could technically take a payout on Lucid, but it's not where I want to be yet. I think I'm gonna base it tomorrow, see how far we go or get, because I at least want a 1,500 2K payout from the Lucid account. The 2K payout would be the max payout you could take with them. Decisions. Oh, look at that. We're still in the same area. Above this VWAP, above this 21 EMA. We're going sideways right now above this 15-minute range for the morning so far. In sideways action, it's hard to trade. It's hard to trade. We like ups and downs, not sideways. There's that 515 area getting tapped. That was one of my first targets for the day. We're still below the VWAP. Still below the VWAP. There's the VWAP tap right there. Are we getting ready to build a little bull flag right here? And then just the bear stepping hard like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. Hopefully tomorrow we get a little bit cleaner action. Today was cleaner than earlier this week, at least. So hopefully tomorrow we can keep building on it. Oh, yeah. You boys done taking trades. I got base hit. I gotta keep telling myself because I want to put more in this Lucid funded account right here, but I know I shouldn't. So just take my win and come back tomorrow. Since today was a solid day, copy trading. How's everyone doing? Who made money today? Who made money? And if you lost money, you can say that too. Lost. It happens, bro. It happens. I lost in one of my evals today as well, so you're in good company. I'm gonna miss y'all tonight, man. No traders hangout, and I'm not sick. That's crazy. But got me and my girl having a nice little date night tonight. Going to a John Legend concert. Down to that 21 EMA once again. Sorry to hear that, ADI. Did you get caught up in the chop? Were you over trading? Were you revenge trading, or were you being greedy? Ask yourself, which one was it? Because it had been one of them. That 5 minutes looking like a bear flag. Yeah, this thing's slow and steady right now. This thing creeping right now. Okay, were you normally trading like Forex or something like that? And what futures were you trading? Were you trading Nasdaq, ES? What were you trading? Okay. Yeah, Nasdaq moves. I like Nasdaq because it's like putting lightning in a bottle, first off. The thing with the Nasdaq, though, on certain days when it's chopping, it chops. And you don't want to get caught up in the chop. So, like right now, we're going sideways above the 15-minute range. And that's where you don't want to be. When we're moving sideways, you don't want to take trades. Because we need the ups and downs, not sideways. If you're new to the future stuff, everything like that, join the Legacy Wealth Society, bro. It's free to join. It's for traders, by traders, helping people win in the market. Like I said, it's free to join. We'd love to have you in the family. Come on over. Check us out. And come back to the Trader Hangouts. We normally have it every night. Tonight, we do not have one. I'm going to a concert. But we will have a Traders Hangout tomorrow night. We have the stream tomorrow morning like usual. Come learn with us, grow with us, bro, and win with us. I feel like, oh, this could be a bear flag, but we're so high above this 21 EMA right now where I would want to get below the 21 if I was still trading. But that's just me. I do not like how those 5-minute candles are looking. Yeah, they have the activation fee. But you got to think about it, right? If you did the intraday, even with the activation fee, it'll be a little bit less than like a Tradeify account or a Lucid account. It ends up being a little bit more than Tradeify and Lucid if you do the end of day drawdown on Apex. Just like extra $10 or something like that over Tradeify though. Well, it's officially 11 o'clock. The market's literally doing nothing at this point. So I'm going to be tuning off. I will see you guys tomorrow morning, 9:20 a.m. Eastern time, ready to make some more monies with y'all. If you're still going to be trading, stay safe in the markets. Don't do anything crazy in this sideways action. And I'll check y'all tomorrow morning. Be blessed, everybody. Legacy market makers, love y'all, boys. BP, Motion, y'all have a good rest of your day as well. And stay blessed, everyone.